Hey everybody, welcome to my channel and this week's YouTube stamping collab, and it is hosted by Nails, and she picked animal print with flowers. Anything we wanted to do as long as it had animal print and flowers over it. And here's mine, and here's how I did it. I used this beautiful Parrot Polish. It's a multi-chrome, and in the sunlight it's like bright green. It is so cool. I started off with black undies, peel off base coat, and I'm going to be using this Animalistic Plate 04 from Moira, and it has all these really cool animal prints, and I almost put an animal on it, and I was thinking about the butterfly wing and putting a flower over that, and I kind of wished I would have done that because that would have been cool. Anyway, I'm using Maniology stamping polish, and this is It's Lit. It was in a box, but I think that you can probably still get something pretty close. I mean, I just don't think that Maniology is, the polish is not exclusive. So I'm just gonna stamp some different designs on my nail. I put tiger stripes and cheetah print, and I thought it looked so cool over that polish. And I'm using this Ejiubas stamping plate, and I think tiger lilies would look best over this. And then I find that that one actually is animal print with a flower on it. I could have just done that. Alright, I'm using some other just old Bundle Monster polishes that I had. I thought this green would look really good over it. And I'm just gonna pick this up and color it in with the yellow. It's TP Tipping and Limelight. Just threw a little bit of the polish on my plate. And you wait for that decal to dry. And then I'm just going to put it straight on my nail. And I hate it. So I did another one with yellow. And once again, I hate it. The yellow is better. But I decided to go in with this Merlot and just stamp over the top of them, and I loved that. So, you know, you just gotta line it up. Can she do it? She sticks the landing! Yay! And then of course I decided I wanted to matte it, and these are the two mattes I have. This one is Sexy Jamaican. It is scented from Purple Willow. And this one is from Glisten and Glow, and it's just matte top coat. And I decided to go with the scented one. Always make sure you seal your image and your polish with a quick dry top coat before matting, because matte will smear. I've told you that before. Alright, everyone's links will be below as soon as I get them. All the products I used will be linked below, just like always. If you ever have any questions, once again, talk to me down below in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And I'll show you my final look, and then stay tuned for more interpretive talking with Lou. Thanks everybody. Bye. So what do you want for lunch? What's Augie gonna eat? Ooh, that's icky. No! You gross boy. You nasty boy. Yuck. Yuck. Is that a piece of your num num?